Salud. I'm taking video. I already took the pictures.
No.
Salud, salud.
Cheers.
Salud.
Where's your water?
We look like shit. Oh yeah, dude.
Water all the way.
We all look like shit from down from the Great American.
Woo! Tastes like oranges. What a Snapchat is it?
You guys right now. Here goes the airplane. Here comes the airplane.
What the fuck did I just say? Oh, these are weird.
Oh god. Yeah, I don't like them. That one was enough.
You don't like the potato fries?
Oh, regular fries?
They're so squishy.
I'll have a regular fry.
Well, not bad, but I wouldn't order it if I had a choice.
Yeah, this is what we're drinking. We're already like almost done with it.
I just caught the airplane.
Yeah, he just caught the airplane. Oh shit. You want me to take a picture of you guys or sleep?
That way. Are you recording already?
Yo.
Mel. One time. One time, Mel.
What?
Say Pikachu.
I can't, I'm eating.
Okay, well, swallow that shit and say Pikachu. Swallow it.
Pikachu!
Swallow.
I can't do it now.
What do I do?
Well, that's the whole point, is to have the camera.
I know, right?
I'm eating bacon.
Remember you guys watched that Mr. Bean's Holiday? He's always like...
We just watched Rat Race with Mr. Bean in it.
Mr. Bean.
Have you ever seen Rat Race?
That shit's hilarious.
Rat Race, that shit.
Have you heard of it?
No way. That's one of my favorite movies.
I thought you said no way.
That movie's great.